If your CapCut workspace looks messy, panels are missing, or the layout just doesn't feel right, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset CapCut layout settings back to default in just a few seconds. This is a super helpful fix if you've moved things around accidentally, or if CapCut is not displaying the way you want it to. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick CapCut tips and software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. Once CapCut is open, look at the toolbar in the top right corner of the application window. This is where CapCut keeps a few important workspace controls, including the layout options. Now, find the layout icon. It should be located directly to the left of the keyboard shortcut icon. If you're not sure which one it is, look for the button that controls how your panels and workspace are arranged. Click that layout icon to open the drop-down menu. Inside the menu, you'll see an option that says Reset Current Layout. This is the setting you want if you want CapCut to go back to its default workspace arrangement. Go ahead and select Reset Current Layout, and CapCut will immediately restore the layout to its original default setup. This can bring back missing panels, fix a cluttered workspace, and make editing feel much easier again. It's a simple fix, but it can save you a lot of time if your interface has been accidentally changed. Once the layout resets, take a moment to check that everything is back where you want it. Your timeline, preview window, and other editing panels should now be arranged in the standard CapCut layout. And that's it. You've successfully reset CapCut layout settings to default. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more easy editing tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.